Hello, everyone. Today, more and more individuals and small enterprises are developing their hardware products. We are proud to introduce you RemoteNC, a giant leap for low-volume manufacturing. I'm Alex May, the CEO and co-founder. Software engineers test many prototypes in one day. Hardware engineers need prototypes as well, but even a small part like this costs more than $500. And even worse, it takes more than 3 weeks for a prototype. Awful. We are proud to say that we solved this problem. RemoteNC is an infrastructure as a service solution which offers flexible, agile, cost-effective production capacity. You can save lots of money, you can get your highly customized parts, and no more waiting. We redesigned the whole manufacturing process to do this. Comparing to existing solution, we are 10 times less expensive. Wow. We focus on CNC machining first because it's widely used in many industries. The global CNC machines market size is $70 billion. For prototyping, it's $400 million, still increased exponentially. We charge our customer based on monthly usage, and we have launched our product this year and generate $100,000 revenue. We are projected to generate $400,000 revenue next year. We are the experts. We have years of experience in mechanical engineering, manufacturing. We also have an amazing advisor who has more than 40 years experience in mechanical engineering. We are seeking $600,000 funding for growing our teams and looking for partners to join us. We are RemoteNC. We help everyone bring their ideas to life. Thank you.
What I like about this is everybody thinks you can do everything with 3D printing and additive manufacturing, and as you know, you can't. So are you stocked with standard base materials? And I send you my specs and my diagrams, and I tell you what type of aluminum or what type of stainless steel, and you have all those in stock, or you go out and get them? How do you get the material that you're machining?
Yes, we focus on the basic material first, like SUS 304 or aluminum 6061, this and ABS, something like that. Yeah, but in the long run, we will get all material because CNC machining is almost suitable for every situation.
Why limit it at all? I mean, if I send you one that I'm going to use 810 or something, why can't you just get that block as a custom order? Why limit your stock of materials?
Sorry?
Why limit your stock of materials? If I want you to do something in a special material, why can't you just order it or I send it to you?
Oh, we will purchase it from the other supplier, and the customer, all customer needs to do is, yeah, same amount.
Okay, we can talk later.
Yeah, okay,